How to remove the keyboard from a Toshiba Portege R930 or Dynabook R730. This time we will show you how to remove the keyboard from a Toshiba Portege R930 or Dynabook R730, as there are a few steps that are different from a regular laptop keyboard. To remove the keyboard from this laptop, you actually don't need to open the case. However, to disconnect the flexible cable, you need to open the case. A bit complicated, right? Let's take a look at the steps. The first thing you need to do is of course remove the battery for safety reasons. Then you can open the case first, or you can remove the keyboard first. Okay, we will remove the keyboard first. Remember, there are no screws that lock the keyboard in place. The keyboard on this laptop is glued in place, so we just need to lift it up like this. Then the next step is to remove the bottom case. We need this step to disconnect the keyboard cable that is connected to the motherboard. Then after the cable is disconnected, we need to lift the keyboard up. However, for safety reasons, to prevent the hinges from being damaged, try to put the case back on first. Just screw the screws around the hinges. Then you can safely open the laptop screen, and you can lift the keyboard. To install a new keyboard, simply return it to its original position. We will make a video next time. Thank you.